Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the area of this red square where this length is 5 unit and this is 8, and both of these two are right angle. This angle is 90 degree and this angle, this is 90 degree. As this is a square, so this angle will be 90 degree. Consider this angle is theta, as this is 90 degree, so sum of these two angle will be 90 degree. As this is theta, so this angle will be 90 degree minus theta, so that this theta and 90 degree minus theta, if we add this theta and this negative theta will cancel, so it will be 90 degree. Now look at this right angle triangle. As this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree minus theta, and sum of these two angle will be 90 degree because this is 90 degree. Now this is 90 degree minus theta, so this angle, this will be theta, because this theta and this 90 degree minus theta, adding this negative theta and this positive theta will cancel and it will be 90 degree. Similarly, from this triangle, this angle is 90 degree and this is theta, so sum of these two angle will be 90 degree. As this is theta, so this angle will be 90 degree minus theta. Now look at these two triangle. This angle is 90 degree minus theta and this is also 90 degree minus theta, and this is theta and this is theta. Consider the side length of this square is A. So this length, this will be A, and this will be also A. As these two triangle, all of them are similar angle. This 90 degree minus theta, this is 90 degree minus theta, this is theta and this is theta, and both of these two triangle has a equal side length. This is A, so this angle and this angle, these two triangle are congruent. So as this length is 5, so this length will also be 5. So we can write this is 5. Similarly, from this triangle, this is 8, so this length will also be 8. Now focus on this triangle. This is height and this is base and it is hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can write this hypotenuse square, a square, is equal to height square plus base square. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write a square is equal to this 8 square plus this base, this is 5, so 5 square, or this a square is equal to 8 square, this is 64, plus 5 square is 25, or a square is equal to 64 plus 25, this is 89. Now if the area of this square is A, as this side length, this is A, so the area, this will be A square, and we have the value of A square is 89, so the area of this square is 89, so this is 89, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.